Alright guys, let's check it out. Unboxing. Just got here in the mail. And we are going to see what they look like. Oh man. Oh man, look at that. Wow. Very nicely packaged. Look at this. This is lower Suzuki sign. Just like that. There's old girl right there. And this is gonna be the before. I'm gonna take these out of the wraps right here, and I'll be right back, guys. And wow, guys, look at this. The finish on these is so freaking good. Look at that shine. Oh my god, it's got a pearl metallic in there. This is going to look freaking awesome on that bike. Check this out. Every single piece, very well packaged. This is the only piece that had a little scuff right here, but it looks like it'll buff right out. Other than that, every single piece is meticulous. It is just, everything looks great. We have the front here, and oh my god, look at that shine. Jeez, man. That is gorgeous. It even came with the interior pieces. And it's got the lower pieces. Look at that. This is going to look great, guys. It's going to look factory compared to what it does now. These are just side pieces. And wow, that looks amazing. And to top it off, it even came with a bolt kit. And this is pretty much factory. It's not like one of those cheap kits that you get online. It's got every single bolt and just about everything you will need. Everything looks freaking awesome. Very nice kit. Can't wait to put that on, guys, but let me know what y'all think about it. So far, this is looking awesome. Look at that shine. I've got fairings for it, and I'm actually taking care of a few issues that it had. One is, you know how bad rectifiers are on these GX6Rs, so we got a rectifier for it. And the secondary throttle valve actuator actually had a code C28. What happens is throttle bodies are fine, but there is a little motor right here that, you know, controls these valves right here. And what happens is there is a little motor right there, and the solder points right here tend to break, so you have a bad connection. I've got the other one fixed up, and she's ready to go. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get these fairings installed, get the new the new throttle bodies in, and yeah, man, this thing's gonna be bad. There's a old girl over there, but yeah, take these fairings out. This thing is slick, dude. Brand new. The shine is just awesome. The color is just freaking amazing. Look at that shine. Alright guys, peace. We'll see you in a minute.